Hello everyone, I am Miss Mariel Plaza, and for today's lecture, I will be discussing about Gagne's 9 events of instruction. Each 9 events of instruction is highlighted on the screen, followed by sample methods to help implement the events in your own instruction. Number 1. Gaining attention. Ensure that the learners are ready to learn and participate in activities by presenting a stimulus to capture their attention. These are few methods for capturing learners' attention. First, utilize icebreaker activities, current news and events, case studies, YouTube videos, and so on. The object is to quickly grab student attention and interest in the topic. Second, utilize tools such as clickers and surveys to ask leading questions prior to lecture, survey opinion, or gain a response to a controversial question. And last, in online and hybrid courses, use the discussion board for current news and events to discuss a controversial topic or to comment on media. Number 2. Informing learners of the objective. Inform students of the objectives or outcomes for the course and individual lessons to help them understand what they are expected to learn and do. Provide objectives before instruction begins. Here are some methods for stating the outcomes. First, include learning objectives in lecture slides, the syllabus, and in instructions for activities, projects, papers, and so on. And the second one, in online and hybrid courses, include learning objectives in introductory course materials, module pages, lecture slides, and syllabus, as well as in instructions for activities, projects, papers, and so on. Number 3. Stimulating recall of prior knowledge. Help students make sense of new information by relating it to something they already know or something they have already experienced. There are numerous methods for stimulating the recall. First, recall events from previous lectures, integrate results of activities into the current topic, and or relate previous information to the current topic. Second, in online and hybrid courses, provide discussion board forums as part of gaining attention with a focus on relating the previous topic to the current topic. Number 4. Presenting stimulus. Use strategies to present and cue lesson content to provide more effective instruction. Organize and group content in meaningful ways and provide explanations after demonstrations. The following are ways to present and cue lesson content. First, utilize a variety of methods including lecture, readings, activities, projects, multimedia, and others. Second, present or post content via learning management system to allow students to access the materials outside of course meeting times. Third, in face-to-face courses, integrate the use of clickers to keep students' attention during content presentation. And last, in online and hybrid courses, integrate the use of interactive tools like discussion boards, wikis, blogs, and polls. Number 5. Providing learning guidance. Advise students of strategies to aid them in learning content and of resources available. In other words, help students learn how to learn. The following are examples of methods for providing learning guidance. First, include detailed information such as rubrics for projects and activities. Provide expectations, instructions, and timelines. Second, use examples and non-examples. Examples help students see what to do, while non-examples help students see what not to do. And last, model varied learning strategies. For example, mnemonics, concept mapping, role-playing, and visualizing. Number 6. Eliciting performance. Have students apply what they have learned to reinforce new skills and knowledge to confirm correct understanding of course concepts. Here are a few ways to activate learner processing. First, encourage students to apply what they are learning in group or individual projects and activities, written assignments, lab practicals, and so on. Second, scaffold high-stakes assessments with smaller activities so students can practice and receive feedback before turning in something for a larger grade. And last, memorization and recall. Number 7. Providing feedback. Provide timely feedback of students' performance to assess and facilitate learning and to allow students to identify gaps in understanding before it's too late. The following are some types of feedback you may provide to students. First, provide detailed feedback and assignments showing students what was done correctly, what must be improved, and include explanations. Utilize rubrics when possible. Give formative feedback on smaller assignments as well as summative feedback on larger assessments. Second, utilize tools such as Turnitin or change tracking in a word processor to quickly give feedback to large audiences. Third, provide feedback to discussion boards in online courses. And last, utilize peer evaluation and self-evaluation or self-assessment methods. Number 8. Assessing performance. Test whether the expected learning outcomes have been achieved on previously stated course objectives. Some methods for testing learning include the following. First, utilize a variety of assessment methods, including exams or quizzes, written assignments, projects, and so on. Utilize rubrics when grading activities that are not standard exam and quiz questions. Second, ensure that students have practiced and received feedback prior to high-stakes assessments. Lastly, number 9, enhancing retention and transfer. Help learners retain more information by providing them opportunities to connect course concepts to potential real-world applications. Here are some ways to help students enhance their retention and transfer. First, provide opportunities for students to relate coursework to their personal experiences when designing essays and projects. Second, provide opportunities for discussion in small groups or using a discussion board. Third, Allow students to reflect on what they have learned and how they will use that knowledge or those skills in the future. And last, have students create a reference for their future selves that summarizes what they have learned. Well, that's all for today. I hope you've learned something new. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.